Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica in the 1970s, there was a young girl named Sissy. She was a bright, cheerful soul with a sparkle in her eye, and she spent her days selling beautiful, glimmering jewels in the bustling marketplace of Kingston. Her smile was as radiant as the Caribbean sun, and her kind heart made everyone feel special. She loved her simple life, but deep down, she dreamed of something more, something that would make her heart sing. One warm afternoon, as the golden sunlight danced on the ocean waves, a handsome man named Neville strolled into the marketplace. Neville was a wealthy fisherman, known far and wide for his big heart and his boat filled with the biggest, most delicious fish. He was tall, with a gentle smile and eyes that sparkled like the Caribbean Sea. He loved the sea, and he loved sharing his catch with the people of the town. Their worlds collided one sunny day when Neville's boat pulled up to the dock right next to Sissy's stall. As she admired a delicate necklace, Neville noticed her radiant smile and decided to strike up a conversation. They talked about the sea, the stars, and dreams of a life filled with love and adventure. From that moment, they found themselves drawn to each other like the tide to the shore. Neville would bring her shiny shells and fresh fish, while Sissy would show him her favorite jewelry, each piece telling a story of hope and happiness. Their days were filled with laughter, music, and the warm Jamaican breeze. In time, their love blossomed like the colorful flowers in Kingston's gardens. They knew their worlds were different, but their hearts beat the same rhythm, one of joy, warmth, and deep affection. Neville and Sissy's story became a sweet melody in the town, reminding everyone that sometimes love finds you in the most unexpected places, and that happiness is just a jewel away, shining bright in the Caribbean sun.